Okay, yesterday we have seen I gave one problem for somebody, MPC one as fellow has given the answer. He has said some error is there in answer. I gave the correct answer, sir. Please, everybody start doing it, sir. Once I give a one problem, please complete the problem, sir. Yesterday I gave in circumcenter to find the circumcenter with the points. Okay, please try the problem, sir. One person has done MPC and he has given me the answer which I said it is right. Okay, I have seen the wrong answer, so actually the answer is whatever he got, that is answer, sir. Okay, I have sent message also. Please start doing it, sir. I will respond. If you got any doubts also, I will explain you. Today we are going to see ortho center. What do you mean by ortho center? Okay, from vertex, if you draw perpendicular, means this makes 90 degrees. From AD is a perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. Similarly, B is perpendicular to AC and CF is perpendicular to AB. So, AD is perpendicular to BC, A is perpendicular to AC, CF is perpendicular to AB. All these three will meet at O, sir. This is called, so which is called ortho center. What is this called? Ortho center. This is called ortho center. Okay, so ortho center means perpendicular bisectors. Okay, using the perpendicular concept we will be doing the problems. Okay, so what you have to do, AD is a perpendicular to BC, BE is a perpendicular to AC and CF is perpendicular to AB. So all this will meet at O, sir. That is called ortho center. Okay, let us see problems based on this. Find the ortho center of -2, -1, 6, -1 and 2, 5. A, B, C. A point is 6, -1, sorry, 2, -2, -1, B point is 6, -1, C point is 2, 5. Compulsorily we have to draw the diagram. Now this is D, this is E. Now AD is perpendicular to BC, means slope of AD into slope of BC is equal to -1. So perpendicular means what? Slope of M1, M2 is equal to -1. Slope of AD into slope of BC is equal to -1. So we do not know what is the slope of AD. Okay, but we know slope of BC. How to find the BC slope, sir? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So 5 minus of -1 by 2 minus 6 is equal to -1. 5 minus of -1 by 2 minus 6. So slope of AD into minus of minus is plus 6 by 2 minus 6 minus 4 is equal to -1. Slope of AD is equal to cross multiplication 4 by 6, which is 2 by 3. You call it as M. So what we call M. So what I have done, slope of AD is perpendicular to slope of AD into slope of BC is equal to -1. Slope of AD into slope of BC is y2 minus y1. So we got slope. Now equation of AD. Okay, equation of AD. A point is what, sir? -2, 1. What is M value got? 2 by 3. Use the formula y minus y1 is equal to M into x minus x1. So y minus minus of -1, M is 2 by 3 into, okay, so x plus 1, cross multiplication, 3y plus 3, I am multiplying with cross multiplication, 2x plus 2, bring the terms this side, 3y plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So what will happen? First I will write x term minus 2x plus 3y, 3 minus 2, 1. Remove the minus sign. First equation. Right? We got the first equation. Again, slope of BE. Always we do AD and BE only, sir. We will not consider CF. Generally we consider AD. If you consider also, you get the same answer, but procedure is this. Slope of BE into slope of AC is equal to minus 1 into slope of AC 5 minus of minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 2, right? Is equal to what, sir? Minus 1. Slope of BE into 6 by 4 is equal to minus 1. Slope of BE is equal to minus 4 by 6 minus 2 by 3. Okay, we got slope of BE. Now equation of BE. What is the equation of BE? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So here, for the B point I am writing here 6 comma minus 1, m value we got. So y minus of minus 1 minus 2 by 3 x minus 6, cross multiplication, y plus 1 is equal to minus 2 by 3 x minus 6, cross multiplication, plus 12. Bring the term this side, is equal to 0. So what will happen? 2x plus 3y, 3 minus 12 minus 9 is equal to 0. Second equation. What is the first equation we got? I am writing here. Here, first equation. First equation. Again, cross multiplication method. Learn this method, I told you many times. So 3 minus 9 2 3 minus 3 minus 1 2 minus 3 x by minus 3 27 is equal to y by minus 18 minus 2 is equal to 1 by minus 6 minus 6. So x by minus 30, y by minus 18 plus 2, 1 by minus 12. X is equal to minus 30 by minus 12, y is equal to minus 16 by minus 12. So x is equal to 6 5s are, 6 2s are, so 5 by 2. Cancel with the 6 tables are. Here 4 table, 4 4s are, 4 3s are, 4 by 3. So what is the ortho center? 5 by 2 comma 4 by 3. Right? So what I have done? Slope of AD I have found out, slope of BE I have found out, use the equations, then solve the equations. So what is the answer we get? 5 by 2 comma 4 by 3. Okay, this is the ortho center. Please note down this. Next, again, find the ortho center of five comma minus 2 minus 1 comma 2 1 comma 4. A point, C point, 1 comma 4 again. Right? Now again, slope of AD into slope of BC is equal to minus 1 into slope of BC 4 minus 1 by 1 minus of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 into 4 minus 2 is 2, minus of minus is plus, so this becomes 1. Slope of AD into 1 is equal to 1 is equal to minus 1. So slope of AD will become what, sir? Minus 1. Now equation of AD. What are the A points, sir? 5 comma minus 2. M value we got already. What is the M value we got? Minus 1. Therefore, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus of minus 2 is equal to 1 into x minus 5. Y plus 2 is equal to x minus 5. Bring the term this side. Is equal to 0. So, minus x plus y plus 7 is equal to 0. So, first equation. I have removed a minus sign. We got the first equation. I am putting in a box. Again, slope of BE into slope of AC is equal to minus 1 into slope of AC. What is AC? 4 minus of minus 2 by 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 1 is equal to 6 by minus 4 minus 1 is equal to 4 by 6, that is 2 by 3. Okay, this is the M value, right? Now equation of B. What are the B points, sir? Minus 1 comma 2, already we got M value. So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus 2 is equal to m is 2 by 3 into x minus of minus plus. 3y minus 6 is equal to 2x plus 2. Bring the term this side. Minus 2 minus 8 is equal to 0. So I have removed a minus sign. 2x minus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. Second equation. I'll write the first equation, second equation. What is the first equation? X minus 5 minus 7 is equal to 0. X 2x minus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. X, y, 1. So, like, so minus 1, minus 7, 1, minus 1. Next, minus 3, 8, 2, minus 3. X by minus 8, minus 21. Minus 8, minus 21. 1 by minus 14, minus 8. 1 by minus 3, minus of minus 2. So, x by minus 29, minus 22, sorry, y by. So, this becomes minus 1. Why? Minus of minus is plus 2, so minus 1. X is equal to minus 29 by minus 1. Y is equal to minus 22 by minus 1. So, x is equal to 29, y is equal to 22. So, what is the orthocenter? 29 comma 22. Now, verification. You can verify, sir. 29 minus 22, 7. 7 minus 7, 0. Next one. 2x minus 3y. 2x means 58 minus 66. 58 minus 66 minus 8. Minus 8 plus 8, 0. So, your orthocenter is right. So, you can verify like this. So, same procedure, only small change is there with the numbers. Okay, let us see one more problem. Find the orthocenter of minus 5 comma minus 7, 13 comma 2, minus 5 comma 6. So, draw a triangle. Right. So, slope of AD into slope of BC is equal to minus 1. Again, slope of AD. Observe here, slope of BC 6 minus 2 by minus 5 minus 30 is equal to minus 1. Slope of AD into 4 by minus 18 is equal to minus 1. So, slope of AD is equal to cross multiplication 18 by 4, which is 9 by 2 m. Now, equation of AD, what is the A point? Minus 5 comma minus 7, and what is the m value we got? 9 by 2. So, formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So, y minus y1 is equal to 9 by 2 x minus of minus 5. So, y plus 7 is equal to 9 by 2 by x plus 5, cross multiplication, plus 45. Bring the term this side. 0. Remove the minus sign. 31. First equation. Right? Now, again, look at here. Slope of BE into slope of AC is equal to minus 1. Observe here this problem. Slope of BE into slope of AC, 6 minus of minus 7 by minus 5 minus of minus 5. Observe here what will happen. Slope of BE into 6 plus 7 is 6 plus 7 by minus 5 plus 5 is equal to minus 1. Slope of BE is equal to 13 by 0. Don't do anything here, sir. Cross multiply. So, slope of BE is equal to what, sir? 0 into anything is 0. 0 by 13 is 0. So, slope is what, sir? 0. What I have done? Minus 5 plus 5 is 0. Cross multiply. 0 into minus 1 is 0. 0 by anything is 0. This we got. Now, equation of B. M is 0. What is the B point, sir? 13 comma 2. Observe here what will happen. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So, y minus 2 is equal to 0 into x minus 13. 0 into anything is 0. So, y minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 2. You got directly y value, sir. Now, there is no cross multiplication. So, what will happen? Put in first equation. First equation, 3x into 3 into 2 plus 31 is equal to 0. 3x minus 4 plus 31 is equal to 0. 3x plus 27 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus 27. X is equal to minus 9. Therefore, what is the orthocenter? So, what we have done? Same method here, 0 has come, cross multiply, 0 by anything is 0. This is what you have to remember. Okay, in orthocenter, we have seen 3 problems of point. Okay, everything is with the point. In the next video, we will be seeing how to use the lines. That is very, very, very important, sir. These points. Okay, please go through the solution.